Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. Now, today we're going to be creating this frosty kind of a makeup look, and if you want to know how to create this makeup look, then keep on watching. With the makeup that we're going to do, and it's all affordable makeup and it's very easy. A beginner can do this, so it's very beginner friendly makeup. But for those of you who are wondering what kind of a lipstick I'm wearing, because we are doing a frosty look and these lips are definitely a frosted look. Now, the lipstick that I am using for these lips are no longer in production as far as I can tell. I can't find it anywhere. But it is this shade if you want to find a replica of said shade. Now, these images of this lipstick do exist online, so if you are looking at images online, this is the 109 Rosy Dream by Maybelline, if you want to look at that. Now, I just put some holographic lip gloss on top. This one just happened to be by Handaiyan, and I will try to remember to put this all down in the description box in case you want to search for a frosted kind of a lipstick. Now, when it comes to the eyeshadows, I am doing only 2 eyeshadows and I'm doing it very simple. I'm not doing any eyeliners today. I'm keeping it very simple, frosted kind of a makeup look because it is winter inspired and that means frosty to me. So the first makeup palette that we are going to be using is the Makeup Revolution's Constellation. Now, if you do not have this one, any silver color will do, or if you have a warm skin tone, anything that has like a whitish glitter kind of a makeup eyeshadow will do. So I'm going to be using the one that is called Fractal for this look, and it's that one. So I'm just gonna put this eyeshadow all over my lid. I don't mind going a little bit, not this far, a little bit above my crease. I don't mind that at all. And also I'm going to be putting it on my lower lashes as well because this is a frosted look, and the reason why I don't mind putting it a little bit above my crease is because I wanted to have that blended faded look, but at the same time I don't want to bring it up to my eyebrows because this is not the 2000s, even though I look like it today. Now what you want to do is softly blend the edges out, and I mean softly because we do want some definition of this color as you can see on the screen. And so I'm just going to take my Essence Eye Blender blush. Now that that is done, we are going to be going in with the very last color. So I want to use the same brush, so I'm just wiping off any excess that is from the silver eyeshadow that I applied. I'm just wiping that off of it on a piece of paper just so that I don't have any more silver to add. And then I'm taking another eyeshadow palette, and this is by H&M, but what you want is an icy blue kind of a color. So I'm going with this color right here. This color right here. So you want an icy blue, and what you want with this is just put it in your inner corner the way you would highlight your inner corner. That's what you will do with the blue. Hold on, I want to use a smaller brush. I changed my mind, I want to use a small brush. So I'm using a brush that is this size. I usually use this one to do my inner corners. So the last thing you want to do is curl your lashes and put on some mascara. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So when it comes to mascara, I just want to use the Maybelline's the Colossal, and it looks like this. And I'm going to be putting on mascara on my upper and lower lashes to give it that more frosted look. Now the reason why I say putting mascara on your upper and lower lashes will give more of that frosted look, and that is because even if you're wearing black or brown, it will give that more of a snowy kind of a look. And the reason for this is because if you have ever been out when it's been snowing heavy and thick, it goes on your upper and lower lashes. And so that's what we're going to do, bringing our eyes more open, because that's what the white snow does. It makes our eyes look more open and inviting and innocent. The snow makes everything look innocent. And so I'm just going to put on some highlighter and then I'm good to go. So I'm just going to be using the one from Makeup Revolution. And this just happened to be Cheek It, Take a Breather. And I am using number 1. So I'm using this one right here. Now, when it comes to my highlighter, I prefer using a big fluffy brush whenever I'm doing all over my face on the bigger areas of my face, and then I go in with a smaller brush for more detailed parts of my face. Also, I have a blemish here, so you want to avoid that with the highlighter. If not, that's going to be more prominent. I may have accidentally gotten some glitter on that. That is my fault, my bad. But usually avoid any area that you have a breakout, and if you do tend to have dark circles underneath your eyes, do not put highlighter here like I did. I just like that nice healthy glow on my face, and this is what is going to give me that. So if you don't have any of these issues, then go ahead and just do the highlighter the way I did it, because look at that. Look at that pop. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with a setting spray, and I'm using the one from Makeup Revolutions, and it's called Sport Fix. I don't know if you can tell. Shake it, spray it, and dab it. I always say to dab it just because I feel like this is empty. Has no product on it. But a beauty blender that is empty that you dab the setting spray in, I feel like that's the final blend of your makeup. So I like using that and it works for me. Maybe it works for you. And if you want a more frosted, cool kind of a look to kind of complete it all, just go ahead and use a really pink pigmented blush like I have right here. And the reason for this is whenever you're outside in the winter, you tend to have rosier cheeks. And so you can recreate that by having pinker cheeks, putting on a pinker blush. So this is the finished look that I have for you here today. And like I said throughout the video, all of the little details you can put on your face to make it more frosty is going to make it more inspired by the winter. It's not just the eyeshadow alone, although you can get away with just the eyeshadow if that's what you want. So with that, if you liked the video, please leave a like down below. And if you have any questions or anything like that, then leave a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you will be notified when I upload a video. My Makeup Wednesday videos are uploaded every Wednesday at 8 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 3 o'clock New York time. So with that, I want to say thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!